a grand total of $510 on a $160 purchase. Pots are sold, baby. Woo! I've been busy. Not busy selling, busy making a new garage, or what I like to call Flipman's Marketplace. We completely put new epoxy on the floor here, and I have been washing the walls for the past hour and a half. So much fun, I know. But I am about to put another coat of white on this. You see how the paint is a little bit kind of scuffed up here. You know, stuff like this. This just needs to be repaired. The goal is to just be able to bring in furniture right here and take pictures. Because before I was staging stuff in my driveway, and that's not a good look when you're selling furniture. You want it to look like it's as nice of a studio as possible when you have dirty, cracked concrete that you're taking photos in and a backdrop of a garage door. Not a good look. I'm just gonna completely white out this wall and use this as my backdrop. It's gonna be beautiful. In the meantime, I just sold the blinds from our haul a couple weeks ago. Hey, what's up, man? That's 80 bucks right there, bringing the flip to a grand total of a little over $300 actually. So already made a profit, but still need to get rid of the big items of the couch and the chair, which I've gotten 20 inquiries on, haven't sold it yet. Table, 0 inquiries, unfortunately, and the golf club, 0 inquiries. So I'm gonna have to either drop the price or try to sell them on eBay, specifically with the golf clubs. So, all right guys, let's get to painting. Got a lot of work left to do. Ideally, we would have been able to paint the walls before we did the epoxy, but that wasn't the case. So what you're seeing right now is I'm starting with edging the walls, trying not to get white paint on the ceiling and the floor, and then I go ahead and roll out the rest in between, and it's a lot faster when you have a second person doing it. If you are using paint tape like we are on the doors and hinges and floor, it's best if you remove the paint tape before the paint dries. That way it doesn't rip off the paint after you're done. Slap the second coat on. I spared you the footage because you saw it the first time. Now I have to cut the baseboards to the proper size. And I don't have a nail gun, so I'm just gonna hammer them in with some finishing nails, and I'm just gonna hopefully be done with this so I can start moving stuff back into the garage. I sold the couch.
So I'm gonna do a weird thing and smell the cushions. I bought
100%.
I bought a couch. Cool. I bought a couch. So I just moved from New Hampshire, and I bought a couch when I was up there, and like I saw it in the person's house, and then I took it to mine. I was like,
Funky smell.
yeah, super funky.
Total of 360 bucks. So that brings our total sale number from that garage sale flip to, I believe it's close to $700. So we are close to 7x that sale. Hopefully when I sell the clubs and the table, it will get us to 10x. That and my previous flips have funded this entire rehab to get our Flipman Dan's Marketplace up to snuff so I can start taking photos in here and make it look gorgeous. So I'm very excited. right, so I managed to put all of the baseboards in where they needed to go. Now I need to caulk the cracks, which I've never done before. We'll give it a try. I'll probably suck at it, but I watched a YouTube video on how to do it, so I'm pretty much a professional at this point. Let's get to it. Apparently you cut this at an angle. Woo! Alright. Wish me luck caulking. Here goes nothing. Caulking like the pros. Ah, okay. I'm a Cocker Spaniel. So many stupid jokes. All right, my first caulk job. Not bad at all. I mean, it's smooth as a baby's bottom. Probably could have been done better, but could have also been done worse. I was using the old toilet paper in the wall trick because when there's large spaces in between the wall like this, the caulking kind of just falls in the space and doesn't stay up top. So they tell you to just, I have like a pocket full of toilet paper right now because who doesn't, you know? I'm tearing them in half. Ever so gracefully. And it's almost like paper caulking, pretty much. And you do that for the length of when it's deep, and we seal it up. But you have to make sure that it's below the wood line. Just to give you an example, this is where I did it with the toilet paper, which looks good. And then once it starts getting over here, this is where I didn't do the toilet paper. So there's like cracks here. I'm gonna have to redo that. All right, guys, that's it. The garage rehab is completely done. Took a lot of work and a lot of capital, that's for sure. Total investment was right around $2,000 with the caulking, the paint, the supplies. Most of that went to, obviously, the epoxy floor, which if you did by yourself, you could obviously save some cash. I went the route of going with the professionals on that end. But overall, I'm glad I did because I was quickly and efficiently able to flip this garage from kind of dirty floors, dingy walls, to pristine white walls, perfect floors, and I'm ready to resell in this place and make the most money I possibly can because my pictures are gonna look pristine. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, I am Flipman Dan. Tune in every Wednesday for new ways to make uncommon profit. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, let's get it.